Good day, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you're all fine and healthy and as usual passionate about your studies. My dears, as you know, we have reached the end of Unit 7, okay? And we will start Unit 8 today. My dears, in the previous lessons, okay, we talked about grammar and we read the two texts, okay, we did all the exercises, okay, without any, problem. And I hope you guys didn't have any problem with those. And guys, today we talk about the unit assignments. So our job today is to explain how to do the unit assignment, okay, which is the most important section of each unit in this book, okay, and also in the other book, your listening and speaking book, okay. The unit assignment, okay, on page 131, it says write about a city. Okay, guys, so your job is to write about a city you choose, okay, any city will do, okay. So it is totally based on your opinion, okay. It is on you to choose the city and your job is to describe this city, okay. It is very important to describe this city. This is the unit objective, okay. And I want you to turn the page and go to 132. Guys, as you all know, before each writing exercise we have in our book, okay, we have to brainstorm. Before writing anything, we have to brainstorm. After the brainstorm, then we prepare, ourselves to start, writing about the topic and whatever the topic is. Look at the brainstorm, guys. The brainstorm is, it says places, parks and shops in the city. When you choose that city, for example, you choose Suleymania or Erbil or, any European, city that you visited, okay? Try to pick some interesting, places or parks or shops in that city. And then go, open up your dictionary and try to find adjectives to describe these places, okay. For example, relaxing, peaceful, interesting, okay, tranquil, meaning quiet and quiet and peaceful, noisy, a lot of noise, attractive, meaning very, very beautiful to look at, lovely, and we have so many other adjectives to describe, places in a city. And it doesn't matter whether it's a shop or park or any other place in a city. So your job is to find adjectives to describe the city, okay. Try to find 7 to 8 adjectives to use it in your writing. Guys, when you finish the brainstorming, the second step, okay, activity B, the second step is take out a piece of paper, write down the answers of these questions, because you need the answers, to write your paragraph, okay. The first one, when did you visit the city? The time, when was that? Who did you go with? The person or the family or the friends, okay. Number 2, what did you see or do? What did you see in that city? What did you do? Where did you visit, okay. What was the most interesting thing about the city? So, make your choice. You may have, more than 10 interesting things in a city, okay. Pick some of those. Number 4, do you think that it's a good city to live in? Explain your answer. If it's a good city, okay, then explain it, why it is good, okay. What is the view? What is, the lifestyle, okay. How do people live there? Why do you like to live there, okay. You have to have reasons, 4 reasons, okay, 4 reasons. Once you answer these questions, you take all these answers and you put them, into a paragraph. For example, your paragraph, maybe it's about, Paris, the city of Paris. The answer of these, okay, you write the answers of these questions in your paragraph, okay, and it, it has to be no less than 6 lines. Okay, guys, that is very important. No less than 6 lines. Okay, it's okay to be more than 6, but it isn't okay to be less than 6. Okay, so this is about your unit assignment. Now you know how to do your unit assignment. Okay, then you have this checklist. Guys, I see, as I explained, before, use this checklist to, double check your writing. Okay, when you use this checklist, okay, this makes it clear how many mistakes you made in your paragraph, and you can correct them. So this checklist is very important, as I explained, before. And you can use these vocabularies, guys, in this unit. The adjectives, the verbs, and the nouns. It will help you. These will help you to, write a very, suitable and reasonable piece of writing, paragraph. Okay, I hope you understood what to do with the paragraph, and if you don't and still have, problem, you can comment me down below on the page, and I will make sure you get your answers. Thank you, guys, for this. I want you to turn the page. We're finished with this. This was the last, thing, the last section of our unit. And now I want you to go to Unit 8. Okay, my dears, now I want you to turn the page. Okay, go to page 134. Okay, Unit 8, Developmental Psychology. Okay, the unit question, what events change our lives? Okay, this is the unit question. Guys, as usual, we have a picture on the right side of our page, and on the left side we have the unit question and some introductory questions about the unit. Guys, the first exercise says, so you have some options. Okay, and what are these options? It says, look at these important life events. So these are life events, which happen in anyone's life. Okay, in what order do they usually happen? How do they happen? The order, what happens first, what happens second, third, or fourth? Number them from 1 to 8. Discuss your answers with a partner. Okay, so look at number 1. First, you start school. Okay, this is my opinion. I arranged these according to my opinion. Okay, use your opinion, and you may arrange these events differently. Okay, totally okay. You first start school, then you graduate from high school, then you graduate from university. After university, you get a job. Okay, after you get a job, you buy a home. After buying a home, you move away from your parents, home. Okay, then you get married, and the last thing you do is you start a family. Okay, guys, so I arranged these according to my opinion about these life events. Okay, and the last thing is starting a family. Okay, I want you to arrange them according to your opinion. Which one do you think is the first event, is the most important, for example? Okay, thank you. And for activity B, guys, as usual, we have the audio. Okay, the Q class from audio, and in this audio, as usual, we have our 4 friends, Sophie, Marcus, Felix, and Yuna. They each present their opinion about the unit question. For example, the first one, Sophie says, the question is, what are life-changing events in your lives? Okay, talk about one of those life-changing events in your lives. Okay, this is the question. The speaker asks these people this question, and Sophie answers, moving away from my country. So Sophie moves away from her country. So this is a life-changing event for her. Okay, so, and I want you to listen to the audio. If you have to, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, to find out what the other people have to say about their life-changing events. And you can yourself offer your opinion. Okay, what was the most life-changing event in your life? And guys, on this picture we have what? We have a picture, a very, very attractive picture of an obviously a newlywed couple, okay, they got married, you know, recently, or they are in the middle of getting married, because the guy is still wearing the tuxedo and the lady is still wearing the bride's dress, and you know, and you see they are covered in all these strips of, you know, colorful, you know, bands, and this is obviously their wedding. Maybe this is a life-changing event, you know, for these two, you know, people. Okay, and I want you to look at this picture. What can you gather from this picture? How can you describe this picture? Okay, I can talk about this picture, for example, for more than 30 minutes. Okay, can you do that as well? What do you see in this picture? Okay, what do you see in the background or in the foreground of this picture? Thank you very much, guys. Now I want you to turn the page, go to the next page. Okay, guys, now we have 136, okay, this page, and we will start with reading one, okay, as usual, and we have a group of new vocabularies to learn, and these vocabularies come with you know, classes of the word, you know, is it a verb or, you know, adverb, adjective or noun, and with the definition. Okay, so your job is to read and double read this and put them into these blanks. Okay, into these blanks. The first one is continue. When you continue, you don't stop doing something. Okay, it's a verb. Decide, you choose. Okay, you know, make a choice. Dream, something good that you hope for. Okay, you are hoping to achieve something, you know, you want very, very much. Even is to show something surprising. Okay, when you say even, you want to show something surprising, something that you don't expect, you know, you didn't expect. Opportunity is a chance, your chance to do something. Organization is a group of people. We have a group of people, they work together, they have a common goal, and they work towards that goal. Promise, when you promise, you say that you won't do or you will do something. Okay? Look at the first one. Can you loan me a little money? Loan me meaning give me. Can you give me a little money? This is a question. I promise to pay you back tomorrow. Okay, this is promise. Number 2, did you decide to take a trip? When do you need to make your decision? Okay, did you decide? So decide is a verb, guys. Decision is the noun. Okay, just so you know. Number 3, immigrants first came to the United States hundreds of years ago. Today, okay, immigrants continue to move to the United States. Continue, okay, they are still, you know, migrating to the States. Guys, I will leave number 4, 5, 6 and 7 for you, okay, and you can figure out, you know, these blanks as well. Guys, on this page 137, guys, we have the preview and the quick write, okay, and also building reading fluency. We already talked about how to build reading fluency, okay, to read a text not once, not twice, thrice. When you read a text thrice, then you know, gradually, slowly become fluent. Meaning, when you are fluent, you have no difficulty in reading it, okay? You go through the text easily without, you know, having any problem. Guys, I want you to prepare this, okay, and also the text, okay, read it for next lesson, and let me explain the preview. The preview says, look at the photos and read the captions, then answer the question, okay? Look at the photo and the caption, you know, it is talking about these two photos and these captions, okay? John Wood in Nepal, Kathmandu Valley in Himalayas in Nepal, okay? Okay, Kathmandu Valley in the Himalayas, guys, this is a, you know, a place, and I am sure you've heard of the mountains, Himalaya, you know, mountains, and it is in the country of Nepal. This is the country, okay? Look at this picture, you know, closely, and then what do you think John Wood did? You know, check the answer. What did he do? You know, here. Okay, what did he do? Here. So he became a farmer in Nepal. He gave books to the children in Nepal. He checked sick people in Nepal. So, in my opinion, I choose the third one. Okay, guys? He helped sick people in Nepal. In my opinion, this is helping sick people. Is your opinion the same? Okay, I may be mistaken. Okay? I may, tick this wrongly. Okay? And I want you to go and find, the correct answer. Look at your quick write. Use this section for your unit assignment. Okay? What is an important life event for a young child? Okay? So, think about this. What is an important, life event for a young child? Basha. Number 2, what's an important life event for a teenager? What do you think is an important event for a teenager? You are all teenagers. Okay, guys? Number 3, what is an important life event for an older person? So you can ask your parents, even ask people around you to, provide you with the answers of these. And try to, write down the answers. Okay? Down below the question. Okay, guys? Thank you very much for this. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And we will continue, with the unit in more detail. And I want you to find the answers of these questions. Okay, you can even Google it. Okay, use your opinion. You can Google it. You can search it. Ask around. It's totally okay. Thank you very much for listening and watching. I love you. I love you. I love you very, very much. And you are all very dear to me. Until another lesson, until another informative and enjoyable lesson. Okay, I like to, tell you that we are, getting closer to the end of this, crisis, and we have been, doing great, and hopefully one day, okay, in the next month or so, we will all, meet again and get together, at school. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Bye bye.